Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Quick Guide. Today in this brand new video, I want to show you how you can easily download or install BRD on your iOS device. So without any further ado, let's get straight into the tutorial. Make sure your internet is connected and head towards and click the App Store app, which is a familiar blue icon app. And after clicking on that, you will head towards this app interface, and in the above search bar you can just type in BRD Bitcoin wallet. Various of search results will get on. You want to choose this app, which is the official app by Braid Wallet LLC. Click Get to start the download process. It may ask you for your ID verification either with the Touch ID or the Face ID. Please proceed. And here you go, download process has been started. It may take few minutes to get downloaded in your device. After it got completely downloaded, you can just click in open so that the app will get open and you can just create your new account or log into your existing account. Here you go, BRD has been now installed in your device. Thank you so much for watching video till the end. We will bring more of this type of content in upcoming days. So make sure to hit the like button. Also, do not forget to subscribe our channel and set the bell icon to all. Feedbacks and queries are truly appreciated in the comment section. I will see you guys again in our next video. Have a nice day.